Hey everyone, and welcome back to Divi Perfect. If you are following along from the previous video, you would have already learned how to create your menu. So today we are going to look at how to create global headers. So first, what you want to do is head over to the dashboard section of your WordPress website. You then want to hover over Divi, Theme Builder, and then you want to click on the Add Global Header option. Okay, now that that's loaded, you then want to click on the little plus sign and insert your row. You can then look for your menu module. Now for demo purposes, I've already created a logo, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that in. Now essentially I just want to style the menu so it looks a bit more presentable. So what I'm going to do here is just reduce the padding on both the module section as well as the row itself. So for this one, I'm going to give it 0 on top and bottom. And then for the row, I'm going to make each one 15. From there, I'm going to reduce the logo size. And then I'm going to move the menu to the right-hand side of the screen. Okay, so once that's done, you then want to press Ctrl S to save, or you can click on this little purple circle in the middle to bring up the option. You're then going to click Save on the right-hand side of your screen. Now I'm just going to navigate to the home page quickly just to see how that looks. Alright, so the menu is here, but it's looking a bit flat. So what I want to do is just kind of give this section here a drop shadow. So you're going to go back to Dashboard, Divi, Theme Builder, and then you're going to enter your global header. And then what you want to do is click on the section, which is the blue one, and you're going to go to Design, you're going to scroll down to Box Shadow, so essentially the default shadow that Divi gives you can be quite dark when it's white on white. However, this is going above an image, so I'm just going to click on Save. I'm going to click Save Changes. Head back over to my page. As you can see, the menu is slightly more presentable. However, if you scroll down, you can see that the menu is not fixed to the top of your screen. So what I'm going to quickly do is show you guys how to do that. So what you want to do is head back over to your dashboard. And you want to go to your theme builder and then edit the global header again. Now there are two ways that we can do this. Firstly, you can click on the blue section and go to advanced, and then you want to scroll down to position, and then you can click on fixed, then center it, and then click on the green tick, and then press Ctrl S to save your modules. You can then close this, save changes, and head back over to your home page. Now when you scroll down, you can see it's sticking to the top of your screen. The other way to do it is to go back to your dashboard section, Theme Builder, and edit your global header. You can then use the advanced settings and go to scroll effects. You can then click on Stick to Top. From there, you can go to Position and just turn this back onto default. And then you want to press Ctrl S to save again. Then you want to close the section and save it again. Head back over to your pages. And then View. Now if you scroll down, you'll see it's fixed as well. Okay, that's it for today's Divi Short. I'll see you guys in the next video.